Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch.
You're all that's left. Finish the mission.
Reload! Reload!
There is a star.
I kill him! No way!
There is a star.
This is the biggest, the most smelly vagina I ever saw in my life. I'm gonna die, bro. I'm dead. I got bombed. There you go, bomb, bitch. Yes! Oh, vagina, you don't like that, huh? You don't like when you fucking dry, huh? I know you don't like that. No!
There is a star.
What? 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 That was the guy.
There is a star.
How can you jump over my Hadouken? No! Fuck! No way, bro! No fucking way! What just happened? I had my stars, man.
There is a star.
Whoa! Who? That was strong.
There is a star.
Really? Really? Only 8? Serious?
There is a star.
Hadouken on your face with my cum! I'm off! You die! Yeah!
There is a star.
Oh my god! That was some kick, man! He just went into the fucking floor! Oh my god, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Sagat, man! Please! No! Fuck me, man! I said sorry! Shit!
There is a star.
When I saw this French woman, man. I'm like, voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Oh, te otak te jebo. You don't know how to cook. You know how to clean. What kind of woman are you? I need your kitchen to make me burek and you're just fighting boys outside. I gotta teach you how this shit should be done.
There is a star.
Go! 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 Get in!
Run, Dinotti. Run.
No, shoot me! No! 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 They can kill you while you go in.
There is a star.
So what am I gonna do now? Oh my god! Snap and go! What is wrong with this game, bro, man?
There is a star.
What? Bitch, ne, you bemu mater, you dumb bitch. A block. What? Ode. Why did you go?
There is a star.
What do you think those guys are? That's where they are.
There is a star.
Hello? Deeply?
I'm sorry, I'm muting because she's sitting around like at me here and crying.
Don't beat her, bro. Please.
What? What?
Don't beat her.
Oh, I would never do that, but you'll see.
There is a star. Yes.
Yes, okay. How many When did you lose your virginity?
What do you mean?
I'm just joking, man. I'm just joking.
Like, what do you mean?
There is a star.
He's not there.
Where? Oh! Oh! Shoot the motherfucker! Yeah, that was flying.
There is a star.
Man, press ready, you noob, man.
I was waiting this kid.
Yeah.
personally.
We got kindergarten today, man.
What kid?
You!
I pressed it before you. What are you talking
I
about?
was waiting for you to press it.
I did it like 10 minutes before you. I mean 10 seconds.
Goo goo gaga.
There is a star.
Oh! I got the partnership! Partnership! Yes!
There is a star.
What is this? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, drop this on the floor and fly. Wait,
Oh,
wait,
that's
wait.
pretty good.
Twinkle.
Yeah,
There is a star.
hey, bro. There is no way you're gonna hit me. Where have you been, Docs? No! I knew it, man!
There is a star.
Oh! That was surprise, motherfucker!
There is a star.
Yeah! That's how you do it!
There is a star.
Oh!
There is a star. There is a star.
Yo, people, welcome to my Twitch. Hit that follow button, don't be a bitch.